The return of the wanderer. The interstellar wanderer has returned. Brighter, clearer, more mesmerizing than ever before. Once again, the James Webb Space Telescope has turned its golden eye toward the unknown. And what it has seen is shaking the foundations of science, wonder, and imagination itself. For the first time in history, humanity has captured a sharp, detailed image of the mysterious three-eye atlas, a silent traveler, drifting gracefully beyond the boundaries of our solar system. Three-eye atlas is only the third interstellar visitor ever discovered, following Oumuamua and Two-eye, Borisov. But unlike those fleeting ghosts, Webb has revealed this one in astonishing, almost lifelike clarity. This is no blur. No streak of data lost in noise. It is a portrait, radiant, defined, and hauntingly beautiful, a window into a world that was never ours. For astronomers, it is not just a discovery. It is a bridge between the stars. We are not simply watching a rock pass through space. We are witnessing the ancient memory of another sun. The image shows an irregular glowing body, its surface fractured and sculpted by eons of impact. It drifts through darkness wrapped in a thin ghostly halo of reflected light, like a whisper from a dream older than time. Through Webb's infrared eyes, ridges, scars, and deep fractures come alive. Every mark tells a story, a record of collisions, frozen storms, and the eternal wear of cosmic dust. Unlike the smooth, mysterious Oumuamua, Three-Eye Atlas is rugged and defiant, forged by both fire and ice, a survivor of creation itself. Spectral data reveal frozen carbon, silicates, and traces of organic molecules, the same building blocks that shape planets, oceans, and perhaps even life. This single image hints at something profound, that the seeds of life are not confined to one world or one star, but scattered endlessly across the galaxy. When that first image appeared, the control room fell silent. No one spoke. Because in that moment, every scientist knew, they were looking at matter that did not belong to our sun. A relic from another system. A traveler from a star we've never seen. Three-Eye Atlas had wandered through the interstellar dark for millions of years. Its path carved by gravity and chance until, finally, destiny placed it within Webb's golden gaze. Faint warmth beneath its icy crust suggests it is not entirely dead. Perhaps it still breathes, slowly, quietly, its heart stirred by radioactive decay or the gentle rhythm of rotation. This is no lifeless stone. It is a living relic, still whispering the memory of its home. The object was first spotted by the Atlas Survey in Hawaii, a network built to find asteroids that wander too close to Earth. When astronomers confirmed its hyperbolic orbit, they knew instantly, this object had come from beyond our sun's domain. Ground telescopes traced only its path and brightness, but that was not enough. It was Webb's turn to reveal its soul. Far beyond Earth's atmosphere, Webb's infrared mirrors cut through cosmic darkness, unveiling the hidden chemistry of this ancient wanderer. The results stunned researchers. Its elements hinted at a birthplace around another kind of star, perhaps a cool, fading red dwarf. Humanity now holds the image of a fragment of another solar system. A message carried across the Milky Way, written in light and dust. Its reddish hue, caused by tholins, radiation-forged organic compounds, matches those found on comets in the far reaches of our own system. Such molecules are thought to be the precursors to life. If they endure interstellar travel, then the universe itself may be a garden, scattering the seeds of life from one world to the next. Its uneven rotation shows a fragile form, a loose cluster of rock and ice, held together only by gravity and cold silence. Webb's sensors even caught faint jets of vapor escaping from its sunlit side, proof that volatile ices still slumber deep within. That vapor creates a soft halo, a glowing aura that clings to the object like a memory of warmth. Each observation forces us to rethink how worlds form, break apart, and wander between the stars. And when Webb's first image of 3I Atlas reached Earth, the world of science fell utterly silent. What appeared on the screens was not just data. It was a message whispered across the darkness between suns. The revelation of another world. For generations, astronomers had dreamed of this moment, to look upon a fragment of another solar system, close enough to study in detail. Now that dream burned in golden light. Researchers gathered around the monitors, their faces glowing with the reflection of a world that was not their own. The more they studied it, the more impossible it seemed. 3I Atlas was not simply a comet or asteroid. It was a survivor, a wanderer forged around another star, born in the chaos of alien creation. Its chemical signature spoke of a faraway home, a system with cooler light, perhaps a faint red dwarf long since faded into silence. The ratios of carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen revealed a chemistry unlike anything born beneath our sun. Each element whispered of storms, collisions, and frozen oceans that existed before our planet even formed. Its surface is rough and ancient, a landscape of ridges, fractured stone, and icy scars. Webb's instruments revealed streaks of dust fused by radiation, clinging to its crust for millions of years. In false color, it glows with crimson and bronze tones, evidence of tholins, complex organics formed by cosmic radiation. These are the same molecules that once drifted through our own young solar nebula, molecules that may have sparked life on Earth itself. For astrobiologists, this was revelation. If such compounds can survive the cold and distance between stars, then the building blocks of life are not bound to any one world. They are cosmic wanderers, travelers like 3I Atlas, carrying potential from one solar system to another. Its motion through space is slow, graceful, uneven. It tumbles gently, a fragile dance that betrays its hollow nature. It is not a single body, but a gathering of fragments held together by gravity, ice, and memory. Webb's cameras captured faint jets of vapor venting from its sun-facing side. Even the weak light of our sun is enough to awaken its frozen heart. Each puff of vapor forms a delicate veil, a shimmering halo that breathes faintly in the void. Scientists were astonished. No one expected an interstellar wanderer to still be active, to still breathe in the dark. It means that deep within its shell lies a trace of warmth, a heartbeat left by the star that once gave it light. That faint pulse turns 3I Atlas from a relic into a living witness of cosmic history. Its discovery reshapes the story of how worlds are born and die. If such travelers exist in great numbers, then every solar system may cast fragments outward, tiny ambassadors of creation, drifting across the galaxy for eternity. Over time, these fragments mingle, seeding other systems with dust, ice, and the chemistry of life. The galaxy itself becomes a vast ecosystem, a web of stars sharing their essence with one another. 3I Atlas may once have been part of a planet, shattered in its youth, or thrown into space by gravitational chaos. Now it sails through the endless dark, carrying with it the memory of a lost home. Every atom within it has traveled farther than imagination allows. And yet, through Webb's golden mirrors, those atoms now share their story with us. Each photon captured by the telescope traveled billions of kilometers through the void, bounced off alien rock, and crossed a gulf of time and space to reach human eyes. That light, born beneath another sun, journeyed through the blackness of eternity to touch a machine built by human hands. It is a meeting of two civilizations, one natural, one created. Webb's success is not just scientific, it is the triumph of curiosity itself. It shows how far our vision has stretched, from the first stargazers who looked up from ancient Earth, to a telescope floating beyond the moon, watching a visitor from another world. Even as 3i Atlas drifts away into the dark, its image remains a quiet symbol of connection, a reminder that exploration never truly ends. It only shifts from one horizon to the next. Because in the vastness between stars, every wandering fragment carries a story. And in learning their stories, we begin to understand our own. We are made of the same dust that drifts between suns. We are part of the same endless journey. And somewhere out there, beneath another sky, someone, or something, may be looking back, wondering about us, as we now wonder about 3i Atlas.